In this video, let's talk about how to use a Shazam to scan QR codes. Now, if you're trying to use the app of Shazam to scan different QR codes that is available to you, this may or may not work due to the update of Shazam. So to check if this option is available for you or not, you simply need to head over to the app of Shazam and you'll be able to see the QR code option being displayed on the home page. If the QR code option is not available for you as well, that simply means this option or this feature inside of Shazam now has been removed. Whether you're using an iOS device or an Android device, you need to first of all check if the QR code option is available. If you do not see the QR code option being displayed on the home page, that simply means that feature no longer is available for you and you won't be able to use Shazam to scan QR codes. Instead, you can use your native phone's camera or a dedicated scanner which should be available on most Android devices. So I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next video.